Hi viewers, welcome to iInnovation channel. Today in this video we are going to learn lesson 2 English 5th standard. Okay, shall we see? The unit 2, the prose is my native place. So what is the prose? My native place. Native place. So what is native place? Native place is the place where your parents might have been born. Okay. So mostly your grandparents will be there in your native place and your relations also will be there. Okay. Unga sonda urun solluvom illaya, that is native place. Trip to my grandparents village. So this is the prose name, trip to my grandparents village. Now let us see this little Pictionary. See here, what is this picture you can see? Bullock cart. Okay, bullock cart. A vehicle with 2 or 4 wheels driven by bulls. Okay. Next, plow. Turn up soil with the plow. Okay. Next picture is scarecrow. A figure made to look like a person and put in a field to frighten birds away. Okay, you can see this. So this you can see in the fields. Okay, நம்ம இந்த farming area எல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சோளக்கட்டு பொம்மைன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, that is called scarecrow. Grains. Wheat or other cultivated cereals used as food. So grains you know, no? Next, armor. The metal cover wore to protect the body in the battles. So இது கவசம் இல்லையாமா, so it is like it will protect the body at the time of the war. Okay. Now see here, trip to my grandparents village. It is summer. Vacation has started for Santosh. So who's the boy here? Santosh. His parents are going to Sirumalai, their parents' village. So what is their parents' village? Sirumalai is the village there their grandparents are living. So Santosh is excited. He records an audio diary on his mother's phone. He records all his feelings during the visit. Later, he writes down in his diary what he had recorded. Let's read his diary to know his experiences during this visit. So, now Santosh is a boy. He is going during the summer vacation. He went to his grandparents' village, that is native place. Okay, Santosh வந்து அவங்க parents-ஓட village-க்கு போகிறான். The name of the village is Sirumalai. So he is very excited. So children, you also will be very excited. Once the holidays were started, you will be going to your grandparents' house, no? So நீங்களும் ரொம்ப எக்ஸைட்டடாக இருப்பீங்க. Like that, Santosh is also very excited. So what he did, he took an audio diary, that is with his mother's phone. அவனோட mother's phoneல இருந்து audio record பண்ணுறான். So to share his experience, his feelings எல்லாமே அந்த record பண்ணுறான் on his mother's phone. Later he writes down that in the diary. So அவனோட அந்த experience எல்லாமே அந்த ஆடியோவில் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுறான். Then later he is copying that in the diary. Okay, now let us see his experience now. This is 10th April. I am very eager to visit my grandparents' village. I will meet my grandparents and cousins. I have packed my clothes and tab for playing video games. We will be traveling in a bus. I am so excited. So the day before when he starts, it is day of 10th April. They are starting from their city. Okay. So grandparents village அவன் next day போகிறான். So he is packing all his things, all his clothes எல்லாம் பேக் பண்ணிவிட்டு அவனோட டேபும் எடுத்து வைக்கிறான். to play the video games, விளையாடுறதுக்காக டேபும் எடுத்து வைக்கிறான். So he is very excited. next day நம்ம ட்ராவல் பண்ண போகிறோன்னு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கான். he is very happy. he is in a joyful mood. 11th April. Today we are traveling. Though it is summer, the weather is pleasant in the morning. There are numerous trees with yellow flowers on both the sides of the road. So they are traveling in the bus. Okay. Santosh, he saw many trees. Numerous means more. Okay. Many trees at the roadside. Okay. the trees are with yellow flowers, okay. Then there is a greenery all around. So even though it is summer, the summer season irundhalum, the weather was pleasant in the morning. The morning weather is so pleasant, and he saw many trees with yellow flowers, and it looks very greenery all around. There are many white cranes in the lush green paddy fields. So the scarecrows, we learn no scarecrows, have managed to scare away the crows in the field. There is no traffic, noise or air pollution in the village. So the village looks so beautiful. So this is the appreciation of the village. Village எவ்வளவு அழகா இருக்குங்கிறத இந்த பேரலா சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Okay. So here the how beautiful the village is described here. So the villages with no traffic. Village la traffic illa, noise illa, there is no air pollution. So it is so good to see. Okay, he feels very good to see the village. So Santosh, I get off the bus and ran to meet my grandparents. So avan busla irundhu irangi avanga grandparents meet panna romba happy ah poran. They are delighted to see him. They are also very happy, delighted, happy. The house is surrounded by many big trees. So avanga veedu sutti eppadi irukku, full of trees, ellame trees ah irukku. Since he was living in the city, he was very excited to see that. There are few jackfruit, mango, neem, banana, pomegranate and coconut trees. So these are the variety of trees can be seen there. The trees have abundant fruits. My grandfather plucked some ripe mangoes for me. The mangoes are so juicy and sweet. So avanga tata vandu, his grandfather, he plucked some ripe mangoes. Nalla ripen means பழுத்தது. Okay, ripened mangoes he was plucking, and he gave the mangoes are very sweet and juicy. 12th April. I have woken up early today. So on that day he woke up very early. I am out for a walk in the morning. So he went for a walk. Morning endirchena oru walk ku poran. The cool breeze is calming. The coconut palms are swaying lazy. So morning endirchena and the breeze eppadi irukku, it is so calm. The coconut palms are swaying lazy. The farmers are already in their fields. So avlo morning farmers ella field la work பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Okay, வயல்ல வந்து work பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Some of them are cutting the crops and some of them are trashing. Okay, so some of them are cutting, and trashing means what? அந்த நெல்லை எடுக்கிறது இல்லையா, so they are cleaning. So this is called thrashing. The paddy. The air is filled with sweet and sound of the birds singing in the trees and the bushes. The cuckoo's song is perhaps the most enchanting. Here the Santosh, he wake up early. So Santosh avan endirchona he went for a walk, and so avan endirchu pogumbode he saw many farmers are working there. Some of them are cutting the crops. So crops ella cut பண்றாங்க. seller வந்து thrashing means separating the grains. Okay, paddyயும் separate பண்றது, grains are separate பண்றது. So then the air is filled with so sweet, and he can hear the birds singing. The cuckoo வந்து அழகா பாடுறது வந்து அவன் கேட்குறான். I come home. I freshen up and eat the tastiest breakfast in my life. So he came back to home. வீட்டுக்கு வந்தோடனே again he had a breakfast. அவங்க grandmother வந்து breakfast ரெடி பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அவ்வளோ ஒரு டேஸ்டியான பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் அவன் இது வரைக்கும் சாப்பிட்டதில்லை. ஸோ ஹிஸ் grandmother prepared a tastiest breakfast, and she also introduced a girl called Pavai. So a girl, grandmother was introducing a girl. So what is the name of the girl? Pavai. அவளோட நேம் வந்து Pavai. She goes to the village school. So Pavai வந்து எங்கே படிக்கிறா? She is studying in the village school. She lives down the street. She is very eager to show me around the village. So Pavai தான் அவளுக்கு அந்த ஊரை வந்து சுற்றி காமிக்கிறா. Pavai shows me how to play with the tire and stick. So you can see this picture. The Pavai and Santosh are playing with the tire and the stick. We happily run down the lanes balancing the tire with the small stick. So they are playing with the tires. We stop to talk Pavai's friend Amir, Peter and Umayal. So now they started to speak. his friend. பாவையோட ஃப்ரெண்டை மீட் பண்ணுறாங்க. They are Amir, Peter and Umayal. All children here to have their summer vacation. So all the children are enjoying the summer vacation. So உங்களோட friends எல்லாருமே summer vacation enjoy பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Amir is helping his father in milking their cows. So what Amir is doing? He is helping his father. Amir வந்து அவங்க ஃபாதருக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறாங்க, milking the cow. Okay, while milking the cow he is helping his father. He lets me pat his back calf. Peter and Umayal are sitting with their grandmother, breaking groundnut and ponds and filling them neatly. So, what Umayal and Peter, they were helping their grandmother to breaking the groundnuts. Okay. Later, they will take the nuts to the village market to sell them. I help them for some time. So they are selling after peeling the groundnuts, after cleaning it, they are taking it to the village market and selling the groundnuts. So Santosh also joined with them and he is also helping them. Okay children, now see. 13th April. Pavai takes me to the village pond. So next day Pavai, she takes him to the village pond. There are many children splashing around in the pond. So all are playing in the pond. Some boys are climbing to the top of the tall tamarind tree. Girls are playing hide and seek near the big banyan tree. So the girls and boys, they are playing. Girls are hide and seek game they are playing, and boys are climbing on the tamarind tree. My mother and my aunties take me to the river for a refreshing bath. So himself and his mother and his aunties were taking him to the river for refreshing him. Next, I play for some time in the cool water, but I cannot swim. So I sit on the big smooth rock and watch my friends swim like experts. So his friends were swimming like an expert because they are the village people, isn't it? They know to swim, but he does not know to swim. They talk and laugh a lot as they wash their clothes and dry their hair in the sun. So there itself they are taking bath, they are washing their clothes and also making dry their hair in the sun. The river is so clean that I can see the pebbles in the river bed and colorful fish swim by. I love the scenery. So the river is so clean. So he can even able to see the river bed. Okay, river bed கீழ இருக்கும் இல்லையா, river வந்து அவ்வளோ clean-ஆ இருக்கிறனால he can see even the river bed, which is very colorful to see. Many fishes are also swimming there. So fishes நல்லா swim பண்ணுறது கூட அவனால் clear-ஆ பார்க்க முடியுது, since the water is so clean. So he loved that scenery. So on 13th April he is going to the pond. There he observed many beautiful things, isn't it? Then on 14th April, we are back to our home in the city. Now it is the time to go back. So 14th April he is returning back to the home. அவனோட home cityக்கே வரான். The trip to our grandpa's home was so enjoyable. Those 2 days flew by so fast. So 2 days he was there and he enjoyed a lot. அந்த 2 days அவன் ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணான். and 2 days எப்படி போனதுன்ட்டே தெரியல. He loved those 2 days. I realized that during this stay, I had neither watched television nor played video games. So in the 2 days அவன் ரொம்ப பிஸியாக இருந்தான். How he was busy? He was wandering the whole village. He met many his friends. He went to the pond, isn't it? So he don't know. He forget to watch the forget to watch the television, and also he forgot to play the video games. நம்ம கொண்டு போன டேபும் யூஸ் பண்ணலை, டெலிவிஷனும் பார்க்கல. So enjoyable he was there in the village. He was very enjoyable. Okay, so I am eagerly looking forward to our next visit. So he is eagerly waiting for the next visit. So next அவன் எப்போ அவனோட ஹோம் டவுன், தட் இஸ் நேட்டிவ் பிளேஸ்க்கு போவான்னு வந்து ஈகராக வெயிட் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கான். ஓகே, dear children, what do you learn from this lesson? ஸோ த வில்லேஜ் லைஃப். ஸோ வில்லேஜ் லைஃப் எவ்வளோ ஹாப்பியாக நேச்சுரலாக இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம இந்த லெசனில் லேர்ன் பண்ணோம். ஓகே, வென் கம்பேரிங் டு சிட்டி லைஃப், த வில்லேஜ் லைஃப் இஸ் வெரி natural. Okay, now let us see the glossaries here. Eager, keen, vacation, holiday, numerous, many in number, thrashing, separating grains from crops, enchanting, attractive, expert, well skilled. Match the following. Cuckoo, what does cuckoo does? Sings. Breeze, blows. This is the second one. River, flows. Children, you mark then and there. Okay, I'm just showing, you mark it. Fish, swims. Okay, now answer the following questions. How did Santosh record his diary? Children, can you say the answer? So we saw in the first page, first paras. How does he recorded? He recorded, see here. You can write here, Santosh. Santosh records an audio diary on his mother's phone. This point you can record from here to here. Then he writes down in his diary what he had recorded. These 2 points you can write, or you can start from here. இங்கேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி இது வரைக்கும் வேணாலும் நீங்கள் எழுதலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு he was recording in his mother's phone. அவனோட மதரோட ஃபோனில் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணால், லேட்டர் என்ன பண்ணால் அதை வந்து அவன் டைரியில் எழுதிட்டான். ஓகே, திஸ் வாஸ் யூ ஹேவ் டு ரைட். ஃப்ரம் ஹியர் டு ஹியர் ஆல்சோ யூ கேன் ரைட், ஆர் யூ கேன் லீவ் திஸ் 1 sentence, 2 sentence or 3 sentence you can write. Next, name some of the activities that the village children were doing on their vacation. So what the village children were doing? See, in this para you can find the answer for that. Here, Amir is helping his father in milking their cows. So Amir வந்து அவங்க ஃபாதருக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறான். Again, Peter and Umayal are helping his grandfather for cleaning, that is for breaking the groundnuts and peeling it neatly, isn't it? So that these 2 activities you can write. From Amir is helping, and later even this para fully you can write. Then later they will take the nuts to the village market to sell them. I helped them for some time. So you can 2 activities you can write. Amir is helping his father in milking their cows. In the one point எழுதலாம். Second point you can write, Peter and Umayal are sitting with their Peter and Umayal are helping, sitting with இதெல்லாம் வேண்டாம், helping their grandmother breaking nuts, ponds and filling them neatly. இது வரைக்கும் எழுதலாம். 2 points you can write. Okay, next, why did Santosh forget to watch television or play video games? Because why he does forget? He forget because he was very enjoyable. Okay, the trip of his grandmother's home was very enjoyable, so he forget. So he was playing with his friends and he was wandering the whole village. So village ஃபுல்லாகவும் அவன் சுற்றி பார்த்துட்டு அவன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட விளையாண்டுட்டு he visited many places like pond, river. So he don't have time to see the television and the video games. Okay, the 4th question is, did Santosh enjoy his morning walk? How do you know? So for the 4th answer you can write, the cool breeze is calming, the coconut palms are swaying, the singing of the birds in the tree, the cuckoo's song is perhaps the most enchanting. These are the by these words, by these sentence you can understand that he was enjoying the morning walk. Okay, 5th one, how did Santosh spend his time in the river? So this para it gives the answer for you. How does he enjoy river? See, it is given here. He was swimming there. He was refreshing himself by the cool water. He don't know to swim, no. So he was sitting on the big smooth rock and watch his friends swimming like an expert. So it's the one, how did Santosh know that the river was clean? That he can see. Instead of I, you have to write he. He can see the pebbles, or he saw the pebbles in the riverbed and colorful fish swim. I love the scenery. Instead of I, you had write he loved the scenery. So this one you can write even. The river is clean, so clean that he can see the people in the riverbed and colorful fish swim by. He loved the scenery. Dear children, the lesson over by this. The book back answer also we saw. If you like the video, like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for the further videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.